Welcome to the Captain Inside Show! Hi, let's talk today about boosting your brain power, preparing for programming contests and daily programming routine. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development.
Let me start with the Typing I.O., namely Typing Practice for Programmers. It is an online typing tutor with the lessons developed using open source code, allowing you to practice the typing of the key sequences you usually meet in the real code. It also includes JavaScript and SAS lessons for practicing. The second interesting and popular resource is Lumosity. It is a simple online tool to train your core cognitive abilities. This game set is based on numerous scientific researches. Moreover, its authors declare that they collaborate with different universities worldwide. However, there are several journalists having concerns about games efficiency. At least, I personally found it funny. The last element from this list is Coffeetivity. It is a tool for developing creative cognition. It reconstructs an ambient environment similar to a coffee house or even student cafe. Also, authors provide a scientific explanation for this phenomenon.
Generally, we have dozens of various open source projects where we can contribute to.
However, if you prefer to sharpen your skills with little clear steps, you might find CodeWars project interesting. In order to challenge yourself, you have to check the tasks created by the community. Having solved the issue straight away in the browser using the test cases, you'd be able to compare your solution with others. If you're interested in powerful visual effects, please take a look at Coding Game. It is the new way to improve your programming skills while having fun. Here you can find a lot of puzzles, algorithms, AI problems, cryptography, etc. You can choose between a single-player or multiplayer mode. Furthermore, you're able to join an international online programming contests for the love of joy or prizes. At Coding Game's blog, you'll get acquainted with the hints and solutions for the previous contests. In case you consider the playing games as wasting of time, I propose to your attention Codility, a popular platform for online candidates testing before an interview. Personally, I have been tested twice here. For the developers, the platform provides the lessons with a different level of complexity. The experienced developers can take a part in online contests happening 3 or 4 times a year and afterwards check the correct answers in the archive.
Several times during an interview, I was asked to complete a task during a defined period within limited time frame, so it was a kind of speed programming. In order to get it done, I had to be prepared.
You can find the tutorial below helpful. It's called Speed Programming Preparation. It's mostly about the state of your mind, but not only. I recommend you to have prepared an environment like IDE with snippets, templates and scripts, because every second is counted. I also found Viktor Savkin's series Mindful Programmer at Medium quite interesting. In the articles, he describes his own approach how to become overproductive. He called his idea Reflections on Productivity and Self-Improvement for Programmers. He presents several techniques how to get more in daily programming routine, spending the same amount of time.
This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and keep going.